Welcome to another teacher tip with Mr. Long, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at an artificial intelligence called Tome, which you can use to create presentations. So here we have the website called Tome, and you can go to that address to register, and I've already registered an account, but you can see all the details of it, and you can see that you basically create presentations based on prompts that you give it. So you can give it commands and it can do some nifty stuff. So let's go see what it can do. So here you can see I'm in my account. You can see there are templates that you can use, that you can tweak. You can go into one of the templates. So if I go into this one, for example, and you can see what this template's about, you can come over here to duplicate it if you want to make a copy of it so that you can edit it, and you can still right click and go duplicate slides or copy or paste slides if you want, and you can modify this as you see fit. There are options on the side here, for example, to set a theme. You can click on there to see the different themes where you can specify the color, style, and so on. That option over there that's if you want to record narration. That means if you want to actually put some voice to your presentation, you can record that, and it will ask you to allow your microphone to be accessed via the website. And there you can add a title and so on. So there are lots of little simple features. But let's try out some of the nifty stuff, where we're going to click on here to the create option, and here we can give a prompt and it will try to create a presentation for you. So the idea behind this is to try to be as specific as you can be in order to get the best results. So I'm going to create a presentation on using mathematics in different careers, and I've specified which areas I want them to focus on. You can come here to the presentation option and say if you just want the presentation, or if you want just the outline, or just like a story, and it's going to auto generate images, so you can actually select the type of style if you want a particular type of style. So let's, for interest sake, let's do watercolor just for interest. Let's see what happens. And we're going to click on that and we're going to press enter so they can generate our presentation. And it does take a while, so it's busy trying to create the slides. It does an introduction slide. We can see the first slide's already created. And so there we go. It's created the different slides. So there's our intro slide. There is our second with our contents. And then it's created these watercolor images for the different engineering. There's one on computer science and there's one on statistics. So it's auto-generated those images as well. And we can try it again if we don't like it, or we can keep it. And again, we can go and specify the theme. If maybe we don't want a dark theme, maybe we want a nice ocean theme, or a dune type theme. So you can look at the different themes available, and you can manually go enter a new page, and let's say we want, for example, this one over here, and we can upload images to edit and tweak this as we see fit. If I was creating my own presentation, I could then use this information in my current PowerPoint, but you can also play this presentation from the website. And so now we're actually using our browser to present, and you can click on the different slides at the top as you move through the presentation. We can also share the presentation if you want to share the link with someone so that they can also use the presentation. And if we click on those three dots, we can also get to view full screen if we don't want the browser options around the side. So there we go. And we just press escape to get out of the full screen mode. So I'll end the presentation over there. And so there we can see the wonderful little details. And you can click on each slide and actually manually change the text, maybe change it to bold, or actually edit the text. You can also move the images around to where you want them to be, if you want it maybe in this order. And if you like that image, you can also download that image if you want to. And you can also come over here to this part where the AI create, where you can actually give it other commands. I'm going to ask it to add a page about mathematics in teaching. And so it's busy creating a page. And there's our new slide that we added. By using the AI, you can keep adding pages, or you can manually do it if you know what you want to put in, but you can use the artificial intelligence to do it for you as well. So I'm going to delete that slide. And then when we go back, you can see your presentation is stored there. So the idea here is that Tome can create presentations for you very quickly. It can create the content for those presentations. So if you're looking for a bit of inspiration and you just need a bit of an idea, you can use this to generate those ideas, generate that initial content, and then you can tweak it from there and then use it as a way to present your presentation. So that is Tome. For more teacher tips and other AI tools that you can use in the classroom, make sure that you click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video when we post it every Tuesday. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.